Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings here by pressing this icon and search for the option Wi-Fi here, and you can choose here the Wi-Fi networks. If you don't tap it on Wi-Fi, just tap it to search the networks and choose network which you want to connect. So in my case, I'm gonna be choose this one and tap the password to your Wi-Fi. Click on accept, and as you see, phone is now connected and it says it's connected here already. There is an info about this, and that's it. Your phone has been now connected. You have here on the app the shortcuts to your Wi-Fi. Here you can disconnect by Wi-Fi, connect by tapping, and if you press and hold, you're gonna go to the settings Wi-Fi in your phone. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!